Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making a Lego guitar. So let's get to taking it apart so we can start. So you're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 2x2 inverted slopes. 1, 2, 3, 4 1x2s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1x1 snot holes. 1, 2 1x2 flat grill pieces. Turn down the brightness so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make this 9 2x2s plus 10, 11. So we have 11, and we have 1, 2, 3 2x2 slopes. So now let's put this away. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna start by putting our bricks in this formation, and then let's get these 1x2 pieces and put them like this, and also get these, and then connect them like that. Oop. And then stack into another layer, and then get these bricks, these 2x2 slopes, and then put a 2x2 in the middle, then get 2 more of these 2x2 inverted slope pieces, put a 2x2 in the middle, and then get these yellow pieces, put them in the back. Let's get these snot holes. And place. Now let's get these pieces. And then red 2x2. And then this 2x2 slope piece. Now let's get our grills and put them together like this. And ta-da! We got our guitar. Just pretend it makes good sounds because it doesn't actually work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!